If you're searching for the online English speaking course that is totally for free, then you have come to the right video. And in this video I'm going to show you this website, which is called mooec.com, which stands for Massive Open Online English Course. In this, as they are advertising on the top, that it is a collection of free English online lessons provided by the university and colleges. You need to register and log in to start learning these courses. The categories they provide for learning the English are in the field of reading, writing English, how to listen to the English, and then they have a separate section of how to learn to speak English. They have short courses, and you can also browse all. And you can browse all these courses by clicking the browse all button, which is at the end. And here, as you can see, that they are showing the different categories: academy, essay writing. And then once you check in at the airport, what kind of the language you need to speak with the people, that is shown here. And this asking question is focuses on the asking question in class and lectures. You will learn how to ask questions in the university context, asking someone for a job, basic preparing, basic paraphrasing, beach safety, care for surgical patient. And these are all the categories. However, if you only are interested in speaking, you can from here select the speaking option, and in that you will see that they have two options: how to use the pneumatic chart, and then Pearson test for English preparation program. So any one of them you can select. So once you'll open this, from here you can start learning, and once you will click that, it will ask you for the email and password. If you already have an account, you can give your particulars here and log in. But if you are new to this site, so you have to click this register option. Here you can give your particulars, your name, email address, confirm the email address to register. Click register, and now you can log in and give the password. Click login. So after you hit the register option, you need to go to the your email account and click on to this complete registration button, and then this complete registration page will open. Here you want to set the goal, in which first option is I want to feel confident when speaking, I want to prepare for an international English exam, I want to improve English for my work, and I want to improve English for traveling, and then I want to do degree of college or university. So depending upon your type, you can select the goal. I'll just keep the first one, type in the password. You can upload your profile picture if you want. Otherwise, you can just complete the registration. Uploading profile picture is not compulsory. On the options where you see these asterisks, these are compulsory. So now I can simply go and click the categories again, as you can see, and now I'm logged in. I can select this course. I can click start learning. So here you can see the breakdown of the course. At the start, the course overview, then there are different options. So from here you can keep moving forward. At the end, you can check your knowledge by answering the questions. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.